I'm Earl Stewart. I welcome you to Earl Stewart on Cars. How to buy, lease, maintain, or repair your car without being ripped off by a car dealer.
We've got one here from Steve Maggs. He says, Earl, in light of Ford's missteps, Ford Motor Company's missteps, what are your thoughts about its continued ability to remain in business?
I think Ford is not the only one that has got a problem about remaining in business. I think a lot of these companies that are call themselves auto manufacturers now will either go out of business or become something else. They may become battery manufacturers. They may become software companies. Cars themselves are going to become a commodity. And if you look far enough down the road, and if you're a Ford or a General Motors or a Toyota or a Honda, you've got to look way down the road. I mean, the average person, the average age is, what is it, 75, 85? I don't know what it is now. So the average person doesn't look down the road. You look during your remaining lifespan. If you're a company, you have to look 100 years down the road. So I think all the companies now that will be here for a while will be the ones that evolve. And I think Ford, if they're going to make it, they're going to have to be probably something like a software company or battery manufacturing company, electric vehicle manufacturing company. And if everybody decides they want to be an electric vehicle manufacturing company, guess what? Only the strong will survive. So it's going to be BYD, Tesla, and probably 4 or 5 others. Hi, this is Earl Stewart. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to be notified of new videos that we post to our YouTube channel, simply click on the subscribe button and the bell icon in the lower right-hand side of the screen.